Welcome to the Netherlands, a land of picturesque canals, vibrant tulip fields and iconic windmills. This country is not just a feast for the eyes, but also a place rich in culture and history. The Netherlands is a wonderful country. There are canals that crisscross through cities like Amsterdam, offering scenic boat rides and a unique way to explore the urban landscape. There are also windmills, standing tall and proud, a testament to the country's innovative spirit and engineering prowess. The people are very friendly. Dutch hospitality is renowned, and you'll find locals who are more than willing to help you navigate through their beautiful country. Whether you're enjoying a coffee at a cozy cafe or taking a leisurely stroll in one of the many parks, you'll always feel welcome. Maybe you want to live and work in the Netherlands. The country offers a high quality of life, excellent healthcare and a robust education system. It's no wonder that many people dream of making it their home. This can be hard if you are not from the EU. Navigating the immigration process can be daunting, especially with all the paperwork and legal requirements. But don't worry, this guide will help you. We have compiled all the essential information you need to make your transition as smooth as possible. We will talk about the Dutch highly skilled migrant visa. This visa is designed for professionals who have the skills and qualifications that are in demand in the Netherlands. This visa is for people who have a good job. It allows you to bring your expertise to the Netherlands and contribute to its thriving economy. It lets you live and work in the Netherlands for a long time. You can bring your family, settle down, and truly make the Netherlands your new home. We will explain everything you need to know. From the initial application process to the final steps of settling in, we've got you covered. You will learn about the requirements. These include having a valid job offer, meeting salary thresholds and other criteria that ensure you're a good fit for the Dutch workforce. We will also tell you how to apply. The application process can be complex, but with our step-by-step guide, you'll find it much easier to navigate. Let's get started on this exciting journey to your new life in the Netherlands. There are many different visas for the Netherlands. Each visa serves a specific purpose and caters to different needs and circumstances. Understanding the right visa for your situation is crucial to ensure a smooth and successful application process. It is important to know which one you need. The type of visa you apply for will depend on various factors, such as your nationality, the purpose of your visit, and the duration of your stay. Researching and gathering all necessary information beforehand can save you time and effort. Are you a skilled worker? Do you have a job offer? If you are planning to work in the Netherlands, you need to determine if your job qualifies you for a specific work visa. The Dutch government offers several types of work visas tailored to different professions and skill levels. Then you probably need the Dutch highly skilled migrant visa. This visa is designed for individuals who possess specialized skills and have been offered a job by a recognized employer in the Netherlands. It is a popular choice for professionals in various fields. This visa is for people who have special skills. Whether you are an expert in technology, healthcare, finance, or any other industry, the highly skilled migrant visa can facilitate your move to the Netherlands and allow you to contribute your expertise. Maybe you are a scientist or an engineer. These professions are in high demand in the Netherlands, and the country actively seeks talented individuals in these fields to drive innovation and development. Maybe you are a manager or a specialist. The Dutch highly skilled migrant visa is also suitable for those in leadership roles or with specialized knowledge that can benefit Dutch companies and the economy. If you have a job offer from a Dutch company, this visa is a good choice. It not only allows you to work in the Netherlands, but also provides a pathway to long-term residency and potential citizenship. It lets you stay in the Netherlands for your job. You can immerse yourself in the Dutch culture, build a professional network, and enjoy the high quality of life that the Netherlands has to offer. You can even bring your family. The highly skilled migrant visa allows your spouse and children to join you in the Netherlands, ensuring that your family can stay together and experience life in a new country. The Netherlands doesn't just let anyone in. You need to be a highly skilled migrant. This means you need to be good at your job. You also need to have a good job offer. The job offer must be from a company in the Netherlands. The company must be a sponsor. A sponsor is a company that can help you get a visa. You also need to meet other requirements. For example, you need to have enough money. You also need to speak English. Before you can get a visa, you need a job. Finding a job in the Netherlands can be hard. Start by looking online. There are many websites that list jobs in the Netherlands. You can also contact companies directly. Tell them about your skills. Tell them why you want to work in the Netherlands. If a company wants to hire you, they will give you a job offer. Make sure the job offer is in writing. This is important for your visa application. Section 5. Getting your paperwork together. The visa application requires a lot of paperwork, so it's important to start early and be organized. You will need your passport, and it must be valid for at least 6 months after your trip. You will also need passport photos, and these photos must meet specific requirements. Additionally, you will need your diplomas and certificates, as these documents prove your education and work experience. Finally, you will need a police certificate, which proves that you are a good person. Section 6. Sending in your application. Your employer will submit the application for you. This is one of the good things about the Dutch highly skilled migrant visa. You don't have to go to the embassy yourself. Your employer will send all of your documents to the Immigration and Naturalization Service, or IND. The IND is the government agency that handles immigration. They will check your application to make sure you meet all the requirements. They will also check if your employer is a sponsor. Section 7. How much does it cost? The visa application has a fee. The fee is several hundred euros. The exact amount changes every year. You can find the latest fee on the IND website. The good news is that your employer usually pays the fee. This is another advantage of the Dutch highly skilled migrant visa. Make sure to discuss this with your employer. You don't want any surprises. Section 8. Your fingerprints and photo. If your application is approved, you will get an appointment. This appointment will be at the Dutch embassy or consulate. You must go to the embassy in your home country. At the appointment, you will give your biometrics. Biometrics are your fingerprints and photo. The Dutch government uses biometrics to identify people. They want to make sure you are who you say you are. They also want to make sure you are not a criminal. Section 9. Waiting for an answer. After your biometrics appointment, you will have to wait. The IND will process your application. This can take several weeks. You can track the status of your application online. The IND website has a special tool for this. You will need your application number. You will also need your date of birth. Once your application is approved, you will get your visa. You can now travel to the Netherlands. Section 10. Welcome to Amsterdam. This vibrant city is known for its picturesque canals, historic architecture, and lively culture. Whether you're here for work or leisure, Amsterdam has something for everyone. Congratulations, you have your Dutch highly skilled migrant visa. This visa is your gateway to a new chapter in one of Europe's most dynamic cities. It allows you to live and work in the Netherlands, opening up a world of opportunities. You can now move to the Netherlands. As you prepare for this exciting journey, make sure to pack all your essentials and say your goodbyes. Moving to a new country is a big step, but it's also an adventure filled with new experiences. When you arrive, you will need to register with the municipality. This is an important step to ensure you are officially recognized as a resident. The municipal office will guide you through the process and help you settle in. You will get a residence permit. This document is crucial as it confirms your legal status in the country. Keep it safe, as you will need it for various administrative tasks. This permit lets you live and work in the Netherlands. With it, you can start your new job, explore the city, and integrate into Dutch society. It's your key to a new life here. You will also need to apply for a BSN number. The BSN, or Burgerservice-nummer, is essential for accessing various services in the Netherlands. A BSN number is like a social security number. It is used for tax purposes, healthcare and other government services. Make sure to apply for it as soon as possible after your arrival. You need it to work and pay taxes. Without a BSN number, you won't be able to receive your salary or access many public services. It's a small but vital part of your new life in the Netherlands. Now you can start your new life in the Netherlands. From finding a place to live to exploring your new neighborhood, there's so much to look forward to. Embrace the change and make the most of your new environment. Enjoy the canals, the bikes and the stroopwafels. Amsterdam is famous for its beautiful waterways, cycling culture and delicious treats. Take the time to immerse yourself in the local culture and enjoy all that this wonderful city has to offer.